Hello, this is question 20 on paper 2 of TMUA 2017. So I've forgotten my computer password, but I know it's A, B, C, D, E in some order, and when I enter a potential password, it tells me exactly how many letters are in the right place. It says no letters are in the correct position when I make these 3 attempts, and we want to know how many more attempts do I need to make before I can correctly guess my password. Okay, so let's do some eliminating. So if no letters are in the correct place when I enter A, B, C, D, E, then we know the first letter is in A, the second is in B, third is in C, so on. And if it's not C, D, B, A, then we know the first letter is in C, the second is in D, third is in B, fourth is in E, and last is in A. And if none are correct in E, A, D, B, C, then first is in E, second is in A, and so on. Okay, so now if I get rid of the letters that we've eliminated, well, now we see that there are only 2 possible positions left for each letter, right? So A has to be in one of these, B has to be in one of these, and so on. Okay, and we can see that B and D have to be first and last, right? So once we know B, we also know D, because it has to be in the other place. And similarly, once we know one of A, C, and E, we know the positions of all 3. Because, for example, say A was here, then E couldn't be third, so E would have to be second, then C can't be second, so C has to be fourth. And we've now fixed the positions of all 3 from just knowing where A is. Okay, but now we see that we have 2 possibilities for the positions of B and D, either B is first or B is last. And 2 possibilities for the middle 3, so either A is here or A is here. Then on my next guess, either I get all 5 correct, which is obviously brilliant, or else I could get 2 correct from guessing the position of B and D correctly, but getting the middle 3 wrong, or I could have 3 being correct from guessing the middle 3 right, but B and D wrong. Or I could get none correct, I guess. But in any of the cases, after I make the next guess, I'm going to know whether B and D are correct and whether the middle 3 are correct. And because there's only 2 possibilities for the positions of both B and D and the middle 3, if we haven't got it correct, then it must be the other combination of positions. So after the next guess, I'm going to be able to deduce my password. Therefore, I'm going to need 1 more guess to guess my password.